subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hello friends, my name is M.Qasim and today we will talk about national symbols of Pakistan. You know, every country has its own national symbols, national heroes and some other things known as national identity. Here is a list of national symbols and national things of Pakistan. National symbols of Pakistan were adopted at different times before and after the existence of Pakistan. So the first one is National Flag of Pakistan. Pakistan national flag comprises dark green color with crescent and a star in it and a vertical white strip. Green part shows the majority of Muslims and white strips represent minorities of Pakistan. Sayyid Amiruddin Qudwai designed this flag based on the flag of All India Muslim League. It was approved by Constituent Assembly on 11th August 1947. The second one is National Flower. The national flower of Pakistan is flower of jasmine, which is also known as chambeli. Jasmine is a very unique and beautiful flower which demonstrates the uniqueness of the nature. The flower has the combination of yellow and white color, which is one of the best and eye-pleasing color combination in the flower. The jasmine flowers has gleaming and shiny leaves and has pleasant and graceful fragrance as well. The next one is National Animal. The national animal of Pakistan is markhor. The markhor is very unique and endangered species which is as beautiful as ever. The name of markhor is being derived from two Persian words, mar which means snake and khor which means eating. This is a very controversial name because generally markhor are vegetarians, so they don't eat snake, but this might be denoted as snake killer as they have hard feet and corkscrewing horns to do so. Markhor are found in the northern areas of Pakistan or huge hills and mountains. The next one is National Bird. The national bird is known as chakor, which is a red-legged partridge. The bird chakor belongs to a peasant family. Chakor is a beautiful bird commonly found in Pakistan, which has ash pink brown color with a comparatively larger white color chain and the throat which is bordered with dark black color. This color combination makes the bird adorable and mighty attractive. Chakor is called the non-migratory terrestrial species that makes the group outside the season of breeding, and when needed the bird prefers to run on feet rather than flying, which is a very distinguished feature of the respective. The next one is National Emblem or logo. Below is National Emblem of Pakistan. It was adopted in 1954. Its color is green, crescent and star is at the top, while other versions of kite motto faith, unity and discipline are written at bottom. In the center, four major crops of that time, cotton, wheat, tea and jute, are shown in the form of shield and signify the importance of agriculture. This shield is surrounded with beautiful floral design. The next one is National Anthem. Pak Sar Zameen Shad Baad is the national anthem of Pakistan. At the time of independence, Pakistan has not any national anthem. Ahmad Ghulam Ali Chagla created the composition without lyrics. Later on, Abu al-Asr Hafiz Jalandhari wrote its lyrics. National Anthem of Pakistan is unique as its music preceded its lyrics. The other one is National Language. Urdu is national language of Pakistan, while English is official language of Pakistan. Pashto, Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi, Saraiki and many other regional languages are also spoken in Pakistan.